Heating and cooling systems built in the last 10 years have become very reliable, but it's still important to have your system checked on an annual basis. Hi, I'm Miriam Johnson, co-host of the TV series Home Time. A system check is all about extending the life of your heating and cooling system, maximizing efficiency, reducing repairs, making sure it's safe to operate, and giving you peace of mind. It's done to make sure small problems don't become big problems, kind of like changing the oil in your car. Preventative maintenance. The biggest cause of a system breaking down is dirt and dust. On the outside AC unit, dirt, debris, and grass clippings all collect here, and that can cause problems for the cooling system. Let's go take a look at the heating system. Take a look inside this 3-year-old system. Pretty clean. Well, maybe. Over time, dirt and debris gets caked on the motor, which can cause it to overheat and fail. When the motor fails, it can cause additional damage to other parts of the system, which means more repairs and dramatically shortens the life of the system. The solution to this problem is simple. Have your system, both your furnace and AC, cleaned and checked each year. And it's more than just a cleaning. A system check is a comprehensive analysis of the entire unit to ensure the highest level of performance and reliability. Best of all, it can be done at any time of the year. If you'd like to have your heating and cooling system checked, give us a call. We'll be happy to help you out.